Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to put two videos side by side in KineMaster. Start by opening KineMaster on your device and create a new project by selecting the aspect ratio you prefer. Once you're in the editing workspace, tap on Media to import your first video. Position this video as the background layer. Now, to add the second video, tap on Layer and select Media again. Choose your second video file and it will appear over the first one in a smaller window. Use your fingers to resize and reposition this video to fit beside the other. You can drag and adjust both videos until they sit perfectly side by side. To make them line up nicely, adjust the positioning by zooming in or out. KineMaster has alignment guides to help you place the videos precisely. Once everything looks good, preview your side-by-side video to make sure it plays smoothly. When you're happy with the final look, tap on Export to save the project to your device. That's it. Now you know how to place two videos side by side in KineMaster. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.